Yes, students, good morning. Last four videos we have covered about the unsupervised learning, the definition in detail, and what is unsupervised learning, and what about the examples and applications, that is, real-time applications with the concerned examples we have discussed. Also, under the unsupervised learning, we have two categories, that is, clustering as well as dimensionality reduction. So we have covered the algorithms related to that clustering and algorithm related to that clustering and dimensionality reduction. But we are seeing one by one, and this video we are going to see about the clustering, the type of clustering, that is hierarchical clustering. Okay, so hierarchical, what is meant by hierarchy? So all we know that hierarchy in the sense, the position wise we may make, or in a family, for example, considered in a family, and a grandfather or father, son, after birth grandson. So likewise we may make some hierarchy, and so it is depends upon the what type of function, or what type of is it an education institution or banking, or what type of sector. Okay, so it based upon the hierarchical will differ, but obviously the hierarchical, it is going to follow the tree shaped structure. That means the first question is, that is only one, after that it will divided into two, and again the individual legs will be divided as two. Likewise it goes on increasing, and it will reach the final wing. Okay, so that is hierarchical clustering. So here the hierarchical clustering can be used as an alternative for the for the partitioned clustering, as there is no requirement of pre-specifying the number of clusters to be created. Is what we discussed now, the same case here. In this technique, the data set is divided into cluster. So all we know what is meant by cluster. Cluster is a group. So it may be a commonalities. Using some commonalities, we may group the things, or sector, or whatever maybe, or nodes, that is called clusters. Okay, so it is divided into clusters to create a tree like structure, which is also called the tree like structure. You just see this image, the tree like structure, it also called the dendrogram. So kindly note down what is dendrogram. The tree like structure, the clustering is called dendrogram. Okay, so the observation or any number of clusters can be selected by cutting the tree all the correct level. Okay, so this is the basic concept behind hierarchical clustering. And coming to the hierarchical clustering, we can categorize, majorly categorize two types here. One is agglomerative hierarchical clustering, another one is divisive hierarchical clustering. Okay, so you just see the first image, which is represented is the green color, that is agglomerative hierarchical clustering. So individual nodes is, for example, you consider each point as a node. Individual node, first it is marked, and again we just check, we grouped. So we paired 2 2, we paired, and again the bottom side also we paired 2 2. Again what we made, we grouped all the paired device. Okay, so but here in the red color which is mentioned, the overall clustering is there, then we are making the individual, and again individual, and again it is like in VLSI and all, we are seeing no top down approach, bottom up approach. Likewise in this clustering also, the tree structure is top down and bottom up. Likewise here we have two categories, that is agglomerative as well as divisive hierarchical. Okay, and the examples for this: bioinformatic, grouping animal according to their biological features to reconstruct them. And also business, dividing customers into segment or forming a hierarchy of an employee based on salary, and so on. So likewise we can have a many examples in the hierarchical clustering. So here the application of clustering, where it is applied in the day-to-day real-time examples, that is market segmentation, social network analysis, search result grouping, medical imaging, image segmentation, anomaly detection. So here I have listed few examples with the applications, a few examples I have listed, but we have other than this we have many other examples wherever we need the hierarchical clustering that will be added here. Okay, so still now we have discussed about what is hierarchical clustering and how it will be benefit to the society or real-time world, as well as what are the types of hierarchical clustering, that is agglomerative and divisive. Okay, and where it is used. So exactly I have mentioned the example in the last slide, the example we have mentioned, and the applications of hierarchical clustering: market segmentation, social network analysis, search result grouping, medical imaging, image segmentation, anomaly detections. So in this video we have covered the applications of clustering. In forthcoming videos, stay listen. Okay, so and we will discuss in detail about the clustering, other type of clustering also. Hierarchical clustering we covered in this video, in other type of clustering also we will cover. So stay tuned. Okay, thank you for passion listening.